Welcome back to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're working on a Ford Aspire, 1997 Ford Aspire. In this video, we're going to be removing this item, this part underneath the windshield washer fluid. Gotta get my words right, gotta get them right. So this is 10 millimeter. So loosen off that fastener right there and get that 10 millimeter socket, your socket, and get that fastener off there, and then I guess I was gonna say I'll be right back at you, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this off here, and so after you get that, and that's just to get it out of the way, and I removed the battery. The battery is out, but don't worry about that. Anyway, so now you will have all of these wires and clips, and I'm getting my hands a little dirty, so I'm gonna get my gloves on and I'll be right back at you. Now on this vehicle, you gotta be careful because this will just come right out, and that's just the top part of the windshield washer fluid. So you want to get down here, and don't do this because, well, you can disconnect all these to get to where you're trying to get to, but make sure you disconnect the battery and you're careful. Alright, down in this corner is where we're at, and we're just trying to figure out what exactly is going on here, because there is three rubber boot like coverings that are going over top of these wires. I'm gonna pull one out right now, and I want to show you. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about right now. Let me pull out one of these. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at this. Is a cover, and then inside here is the Shinwoo. We have the DX54 Shinwoo. These are the secret Shinwoos on your vehicle. This is a video of how to find the secret Shinwoos. We already found one before on this Ford Aspire. This one, we have found the second one. So this is how you find the second Shinwoo. And there are actually two more down there. I'm going to have to show you after I get this off here, if I can figure out a way. Oh my god, what did I drop? I dropped the boot. If I can just figure out a way to get this just to slide off and just come off. There's the Shinwoo DX54 DC 12 volt 30 amp NO Shinwoo. See, I tore up the little connector right there, but that doesn't matter. The device still works. But anyway, there are two more, which I presume are Shinwoos also. Let me just pull off this sleeve right here. This is number 2. This is the boot, a rubber boot over top of the Shinwoo. They shouldn't have rubber boots hiding. There we go, another Shinwoo. That is a secret Shinwoo device. And I believe, now let me get this one off. I'm going to mess this one all up too. This is a secret Shinwoo. Let me just mangle that up and just get this popped. I need a screwdriver. To get this off here. But we're just going to take it off just like so. This is a Shinwoo. Look at that. That's a second mystery Shinwoo. We need to find the third one. This is a extra special video because we're finding Shinwoos on this car. You wanna know what's under this boot? I'm gonna tell you. What's under this boot. It's a magical Shinwoo. So we got three. I count them, 3 Shinwoos. 3 hidden Shinwoos in this video. What an amazing video of just discovering the Shinwoos. We found one a long time ago. These boots, oh man, shoot. dropped the Shinwoo. Oh man. Anyway, we got one Shinwoo, and I think I have another Shinwoo. Let's mingle this connector here. Don't do this. This is just discovering the Shinwoo. So today we are making videos. We got my shadow, and we just found the magical Shinwoo. Eating an apple, but we just found the magical Shinwoo on this vehicle. There's 3 of them. 3 Shinwoos, right side by side each other. Magical. It was an unbelievable discovery of finding these Shinwoos. I mean, who would have thought that there would be Shinwoos on a vehicle? And you're probably wondering, what is a Shinwoo? Well, duh. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great and wonderful day. I made a discovery. A discovery of more Shinwoos right there. There's 2 of them hiding in that front right corner. There are Shinwoos everywhere in this vehicle, everywhere. See where those wires go? Right to 1, 2 Shinwoos behind those boots. Absolutely amazing. This car is just full of them. Full of Shinwoos.